Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can get the highest download speed from UTorrent. This is the latest setting that you will find for UTorrent. So first of all, go on to options and you'll find something called preference, or you can just go for control plus P. First of all, general tab, check the box with check association on startup, then move on to connection and change this. Now make sure that your port number is 45682 and make sure that all the other options are gonna be like this by default, but if it isn't, then make sure it's like this. This shouldn't be checked. Go on to bandwidth, make sure that the maximum upload rate is 0 and the maximum download rate is 0. Make sure to check this and check this. Also remember to keep the global maximum number of connections to be 2329 and maximum number of connected peers per torrent to be 1890, plus the number of upload slots per torrent, like it can be 14, but make sure it's not so high and also not so low. Then move on to BitTorrent. Make sure all of these are checked, and all of these are checked except for this one. It should be by default, and make sure that this one is enabled. It probably is gonna be disabled by default, so make sure it's enabled. Then move on to QNN, and here make sure that the maximum number of active torrents is 60 and the maximum number of active downloads are 63. The minimum ratio is 200, but it should be like more than 100%, and you can keep the rest 0, it doesn't matter. Then move on to advanced, click on the bt.allow same IP and change this to true. Then search for something called DHT.rate. It's gonna be -1, and you have to change this to 2 and click on set. Search for something called RFS.update interval. Change this value to 20 and click set. After that, click on apply and OK. That's it, you're done. You'll be able to download in the highest possible speed that your internet connection is gonna provide, and it should work. It worked for me. The speed increased a lot. There's good chance that it's gonna work for you too. Like it worked. These settings helped a lot of users around the world to get good speed, because UTorrent usually limits the internet speed a lot. So thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to leave a like. If you want UTorrent Pro, there's gonna be an annotation in this video, and make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.